Have you ever been in the middle of a long coding session with Claude and suddenly realized you've burned through a huge number of tokens? Well, what if I told you there's a simple skill that can make Claude much more concise without losing the important information? Today I'm going to show you a GitHub project called Caveman. It's a community-created skill that changes the way Claude responds by removing unnecessary words and keeping only the essential information. The result is shorter responses, fewer output tokens, and potentially more efficient coding sessions. In this video, I'll show you exactly what Caveman is, how to install it, how to add it to Claude, and how to start using it in your daily workflow. So let's get started. First, open the Caveman GitHub repository using the link in the description. Once the page loads, look toward the top right area of the file section and click on the green code button. A drop-down menu will appear. From there, click Download Zip. GitHub will now download the entire project as a zip file to your computer. Once the download is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder and locate the zip file. Once the zip file has been downloaded, right-click on it and select Extract All. Then click Extract and wait a few seconds for Windows to unpack the files. When it's done, open the newly created Caveman folder to access the project files. Next, open Claude and navigate to the Skills section. To add the Caveman skill, simply follow the steps shown on screen and import the files from the extracted Caveman folder. Once the process is complete, you'll see Caveman appear in your list of available skills and you're ready to start using it. Now that the skill has been added, using it is incredibly simple. Open any conversation in Claude and enable the Caveman skill whenever you want more concise responses. From that point on, Claude will start replying in a much shorter and more compressed style, helping reduce unnecessary output while still keeping the important information. You can use it for coding, debugging, explanations, or almost any task where you prefer concise answers. And that's all there is to it. And that's it for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider leaving a like and subscribing to Nick Tricks for more AI tools, coding tips, and productivity hacks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.